Mabuhay and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Monica. Welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join me on my journey here on YouTube. Alrighty guys, today is Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day to you guys. I hope that you had an amazing day or night wherever you might be. We actually just got back from dinner. We had dinner at Fogo de Chao. It is a Brazilian steakhouse, all you can eat meat. So if you love meat, better check it out because it's really yummy. Without further ado, let's get started with the unboxing. It is really special for me to unbox this because this is my very first Van Cleef jewelry, and this is gifted this is gifted to me by my lovely fiance. He's so kind to me. Sometimes I feel like he deserves me. Just kidding. I feel like sometimes he doesn't deserve I feel like sometimes he doesn't deserve me, and I just said he deserves. I just feel like sometimes I don't deserve him. That's what I meant to say, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm just like so excited with this unboxing. This is what the paper bag looks like. I know you guys probably don't even care about that, but it says Van Cleef right over here, and then they have their logo. It says VCA right there. And then this is what the inside looks like. I have the receipt right here, which I'm not going to show you guys. There's really nothing special there. You also get a what do you call this, babe? This is like the certificate. Yeah, you get the certificate. Since he got me two, there's two certificates in there. They also gave us some chocolates. He already ate the other one, so I think we should try this out first before we get on with the unboxing. Yeah, with compliments of Van Cleef, it says there. Yeah, this is what the chocolate looks like. Why am I unboxing a chocolate? Oh my god. Okay, never mind. Forget that. What matters the most is what's inside this box. So let's get started. I don't know which one's which, but it comes in this little box with a bow. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I've been wanting to wear this, but I wanted to wait till I do the video before I wear it. But let's open it up. This is the case. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And comes with this little pouch, and this is what it looks like. It's the carnelian necklace. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Wow. Let's go ahead and put it on. I also got an extension for it because I have pretty big neck, so I needed that extra chain. That way it doesn't fit all funny, because it's not supposed to look like a choker. I'll be right back, guys. I'm just gonna put this on and I'll keep you updated. And now this is what it looks. I love it so much. All right, let's move on to the other one. This one I'm so excited about too. The same as the other one. You get the ribbon and then you open it up. Oh, and it has that like pouch. It is also the carnelian, the single stone carnelian in the mini rose gold. It's so pretty. Oh, this one already comes with an extension too. I don't know if you guys can see. So that's really nice. So this is what the bracelet looks like. Look how dainty and cute it is. I think it really looks good with the love bracelet. These also came with the little pouch. So this one is really good if you are traveling. That way you don't have to bring this big box with you when you're going somewhere out of the country or out of town. But yeah, I think that's really cute too. It's like a velvety, it feels like velvety. pouch. It's so cute, and it has the Van Cleef right there, and then the inside. Guys, that is basically it for the unboxing today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Again, thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.